such, mate, it is such a heat. That is so funny. Hi guys, welcome back to Thornton 100 Motorcycles YouTube channel. My name's Jody and today we've got loads of action going on. As you will have seen on the channel, I've finished my yellow birthday build. Now that bike has been sold to a very interesting client and I've just loaded it up into the van. I'm gonna go and deliver it in a bit. And then after that, we're gonna be hanging out with some friends. Paul from Supercars London and Ollie Webb, one of our ambassadors and also super racing driver as well. So this guy's got loads of Le Mans wins under his belt, loads of other titles as well. So really cool dude. So I'm gonna go deliver this bike now. Let's get into it. Right guys, as you can see, I've just turned up to the Auto Finesse Detailing Academy. I'm here with James, the whole team is here. And these guys haven't seen this bike yet and they're all peeking in the windows because they want to check it out. So I'm gonna open the back up now and catch these guys' reaction. There you go guys, what do you reckon to that? You know, I was like, right, it's my 26th birthday, I'm going to build a bike. What am I going to build? I'm going to build this one and make this exhaust sick as well.
It matches the truck in there.
Does it? Let's check it out. Let's get it right up next to the truck guys and check out and see what this exhaust looks like. Oh. So I think he likes it, that's for sure. So we're in the Auto Finesse Detailing Academy. Some serious motors looking around here. Definitely fits in with what you've got here. So this truck, I've seen this truck before at the shows and I think these two are going to look sick together. I reckon we can get this in the back. That looks like an expensive bed though. You want me to scratch that? Right then, what do you reckon guys? Should we start it up? See what it sounds like.
That's what we're waiting for.
So it starts like a normal motorbike. So you're in gear, you've got your neutral light here, clutch in, and then you press this button here. Okay, so back in the workshop now, driven back from Auto Finesse. Those guys have got some serious toys there and James absolutely loves his new bike and I'm sure we'll see that at some sick shows as well. So we took a brand new build in last week and me and Evan have been cracking on this exhaust and we have got cylinder number one's header pipe pretty much there. What we have is all of these ply cups here. So we've got these custom made for us. So they all range between 9 degrees either side, so that's 18 degrees in total and 10 degrees in total. So as you can see, the difference between the two is night and day. So this is a tighter angle, this is a more shallow angle. So let's get them right. Over here we've come out of the header and we've got our custom boss, which literally mounts directly into the head with a hole there for the lander sensor in as well, and then we've got our exhaust clamps here too which hold all of that on. So what we've done is we've come out initially with a 5 degrees, gone around to the 7s and then tightened it up with an 8 and then back out to a 7 here as well. That's given us a nice radius and brought it out nice and fast so it's not too tight to the header, brought it out and round and then poked it through there. So what we've got to do next is bring out that header out here and then bring this one out too, and then what we're going to do is we're going to bring them out and what we'll probably do is bring them round and twist them like that and then point them down at the ground. Now we've done a very similar build before, however this way I believe we're going to spin the twist the other way around.
Go the other way around.
So
if I can imagine this, it's going to go tight in there, this one's going to come round and they're going to
so this one will literally come out and round here like that. It's going to be interesting to see what it looks like. I'm not actually sure what it's going to look like. It might look weird, you know what I mean? It's like one of them and it like, I've never done this before, you've never done this before. Obviously we're both just cracking on, sorting this exhaust out, but I think it's going to look cool however we end up doing it. You know, customer has specified that he does want that twister double helix exhaust, so we're going to give him exactly what he wants. So lots and lots to be cracking on with on this bike. So we're going to start coming off now with cylinder, we'll probably come out with that cylinder number one a little bit more, and then we'll come out with cylinder number two and we'll start their interaction around here and see what we come up with. Right guys, the boys have just arrived. We got Paul, and Ollie. How's it going, guys? These guys come down. So Ollie's come down in the M8, Paul's in the GTR, and we got some cool bikes to ride. Paul's gonna ride Sam DeHaan's bike. I'm gonna ride WFB. And wait till you see what we've got Ollie riding.
Oh, look at it, that is so
rusty.
cool.
Oh mate, let's pull it out. Come and check it out. It is so good.
The front screen protector is the best.
Check it out. Conan the C90. This thing has got a matching helmet with it. Look at the state of this helmet. That's actually ridiculous, but not as impressive as this C90 is. Check it out. So Ollie's only got his CBT at the moment, so if he doesn't go and do his license, this is what he's going to be stuck riding. So
that is, yeah. It's going to push me. It's going to push me.
Gonna go for a little spin. This is for an upcoming Michelin video that we're doing with Paul, so keep an eye out for that one as well too, guys. Right. I don't even know if it will start. It's got no battery, so we just have to hope. But I'll leave that up to you because it's kickstart only, so I don't want to be doing that. I'm not doing that.
How do you do the bike model poses?
Proper behind the scenes here. So we're actually at the entrance to our brand new workshop, and we have this big field, but we've got this really long private road along here as well, because obviously this thing is not road legal. And Ollie's going to jump on and go for a little spin. It's funny, but I'm really looking forward to you going for a rip, Paul, on some proper
You
bikes.
going for a rip,
well,
and me trying to keep up.
Oh, I can also take a picture of it. It's so beautiful.
So is it as much of a heap as you thought it would be?
It's way better than I thought it was going to be. This is way better than any pizza delivery bike, any custom Thornton 100 you've ever made. This should be on the homepage of the website.
Right guys, time to go for a spin. So got the jacket on. So many guys asking what his jacket is. Belstaff, helmet's heading as well. So check those guys out, sick helmet. Yeah, I'm jumping on WFB. This thing just turns heads every single time. What an absolute joke this bike is, so cool. Sun's shining, watch this. Right then guys, that's the video done and dusted for this week. Now, we have a Black Friday sale coming up on the 26th. We've never done this before, and there's up to 50% off for you guys, so make sure you check out our social media channels in the description below, and you can get your hands on some Thornton 100 gear at a discounted price. Now, if you do want to support the channel even further to help us create these awesome videos for you, as well as creating loads of other cool bits as well, such as WFB content, racing, events, stuff like that, then click on our YouTube channel and then click the join button. You'll be able to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you get perks such as early video access, as well as wallpapers and other little perks as well. So if you do want to support us, it is greatly appreciated. So thank you so much for watching guys. Make sure you do click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.